In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list using a Google Sheets template. This simple yet effective method will help you stay organized, track your tasks, and boost your productivity using the full power of Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, open a new or existing Google Sheet. If you're new to Google Sheets, simply go to your Google Drive, click on New, and select Google Sheets. Now, once the sheet is open, we'll begin setting up your task list. Next, you'll want to select the cells where you'll be inputting your tasks. For this example, let's highlight from cell A2 to C5. This selection will allow us to format these cells specifically for our to-do list. Now, head over to the top menu bar and click on Format. This is where we can apply different styles to our cells. Once in the Format menu, select Conditional Formatting. This option will let us customize how our tasks appear based on certain conditions. Moving on, you'll see the Conditional Formatting pane on the right. You'll want to click the drop-down list under Format Rules. From this drop-down, choose the Custom Formula is option. Doing so allows for more precise customization based on the data within your cells. In the Custom Formula field, enter IL D2. This formula will check a condition in the D column and apply rules based on its result. This step is crucial for dynamically updating how your tasks look, ensuring that completed tasks automatically reflect changes. Now, let's move to the formatting style. Here, you'll click on Fill Color, which allows you to select a color that will fill in the background of the cells once our condition is met. Choose a color that stands out to you, as this will represent any completed tasks. After selecting your fill color, another style you may want to apply is the strike-through. This formatting choice adds a line through completed tasks, giving you a quick visual indication that a task is done. Once you've set these options, click on the Done button. This action saves all the formatting and ensures your task list will update automatically when you mark a task as complete. Finally, to make checking off tasks easy, you'll want to add checkboxes to your task list. Simply click into a column adjacent to your task description, select the cells, then go to Insert on the menu and choose Checkbox. This handy tool lets you tick off tasks with a single click. And there you have it, a fully functional to-do list in Google Sheets. Just input your tasks, mark them when complete, and enjoy the satisfaction of seeing your list get checked off. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.